Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our Excel model specific for the glamping business. Very quickly, I'm going to go ahead and just show you how this works, and it's very easy to use. Pretty much everything is controlled just from this one tab, which is all question and answer based. So for instance, an overview of the financing, how much is going to be raised either from you as the owner or as investors, how much is going to be coming as a bank loan. If you're going to be doing a straight equity capital raise, you can just adjust this appropriately, as well as the terms of the loan if you're going to be using bank financing as well. In regards to sales and revenues, here you just simply put in how many spaces you're going to have and what the average fee will be, as well as the occupancy rate. And let me show you how that works very quickly. I'm just going to go to the yearly sales tab, and it's going to show for year one glamping site rentals at about 1.6 million. Instead of, let me go back to the questions tab. Instead of having 50 spaces, let's say you're going to have 60 at a rate of $125 a night with a 75% occupancy. As you can see, this automatically updated throughout all of the other charts and graphs that are in this document. That's how easy it is to use, and these seamlessly go right into the Word document as well as the PowerPoint, which are shown in 2 different videos. There's also revenue specific for if you're going to have a general store on site. You can enter in the average amount of revenue you'll generate per day, how much you'll be generating from washer or dryer usage. And you can also control what percentage of your revenues are based in each quarter. So from January to March, it's somewhat lower. For April or June, it picks up. And of course, during the July to September season, that's where you're going to generate a bulk of your revenue. Again, you can adjust these percentages to whatever is applicable to your business. Cost of goods sold, how much are the underlying costs, such as credit card fees, we've set at 3%. You can adjust this as necessary. Store gross profits, laundry usage gross profits. And if you're not going to have a store or on-site laundry, just enter 0 here, and there are instructions on how to do it. Your yearly growth rate, you can adjust from year 1 to year 2 and year 2 to year 3. Again, I'll just show you how that works quickly. Here's the yearly sales. It shows it as 10. Let's change it to 15 for year 2. And as you can see, this automatically updated. And this is true for every cell in this document. Everything will automatically update for you. The usage of funds in regards to how you'll be using the money you're raising. Your yearly expenses, such as general administrative costs, marketing costs, property maintenance, things of that nature. Again, you can adjust this to whatever's appropriate for your business. And then how much you're going to be reinvesting into the business and taking out as dividends, as well as some questions regarding marketing. Once you do that, you can adjust the payroll here. Very quickly, you can change the titles. So let's say instead of calling yourself owner, you can call yourself president. And that would adjust right there as well. Oops. Let me just go back there. You can adjust the salaries here. There are notations throughout this entire document, so you can know exactly how to adjust each table. This one is calculated automatically. Oh, I forgot to mention, any table that is tab that is editable will always have the editable tab next to it. The demographics, and we show you where to pull this information specific for your market. The marketing return on investment. The loan amortization table. So if you are looking for capital for a loan, you can adjust these figures. You can adjust it on the startup tab. But these will show the anticipated monthly loan expense broken down by principal and interest. General assumptions, such as your tax rate. Monthly sales, this is calculated automatically for you. Yearly sales, this is automatic again. An overview of your monthly personnel, this is also calculated automatically from the personnel tab. Your yearly payroll. And then, of course, the profit and loss statement. And as you can see here, nothing to edit or change. This is all done automatically. The expanded profit and loss statements for year 1, which is done monthly for the first year. Quarterly for year 2. And quarterly for year 3. And again, these are calculated automatically. The cash flow analysis, which is also completely calculated automatically for you. Oops, let me scroll up. Much like with the profit and loss, the first year is broken down monthly. Year 2 is quarterly, and year 3 is quarterly. The balance sheet, which is also done for you automatically. The break-even, and business ratios. And I'll just go back to the beginning. And that's essentially it. Once you answer just these very simple questions and put in the amount of money you're looking to raise and how you're looking to do it, that pretty much takes care of developing the financial model for you. Of course, this comes along with the Word document as well as the interactive pitch deck that are shown in 2 other videos. And we encourage you to take a look at those as well. And if you have any questions, you can reach us anytime through the Contact Us page or through the live chat, which is in the bottom right-hand corner during normal business hours. Thank you very much for taking a look.